Hello again. On this video, we'll be talking about the equation for force. Okay, and the equation for force has three components: force itself, the mass, and the acceleration. Let's see how it works. Force equals the mass of the object times the acceleration of that same object. And each of these three components has its own variables, okay? And force itself is measured in newtons. And we shorten that by writing capital N. Mass itself is measured in kilograms. And we shorten that by using kg for kilograms. And acceleration is measured in meters per second square. Of course, and that's the abbreviation of that. Now, I could solve for each component of force individually because this equation right now, all that it's doing is giving me the equation to find force, which is force equals mass times acceleration. Let me rewrite this equation with different colors, and I'm going to say that force that equals the mass for m is that, and times the acceleration, and the times sign over here. Good. So there you have it. Force equals mass times acceleration. But what if I want to leave the mass alone? If I want to leave the mass alone, I will simply remove the acceleration and divide it by the force. So now I have force divided by acceleration gives me mass. Okay, and this is defined kilograms. Then you question yourself and you say, what if I need to find acceleration? Okay, let's go back to the original equation, which is over here, which was force equals mass times acceleration. And now I will get rid of the m, or the mass, by dividing it by the force. Now I have force divided by mass equals acceleration. And this is the equation to find force. I repeat, force has three components, which is force itself, the mass, and the acceleration. And you could play with all these variables, bringing the mass down to find acceleration like we did just now, or bringing the acceleration down to find mass, which like we did just now. And also be careful with the variables. Each one has their own individual unit. Like force is newtons, mass is kilograms, and acceleration is meters per second square. I hope this helps you out.